Hello everyone. So do you know the difference between a spot and a reserved EC2 instance? Obviously, there is a small difference, but these would be advised if in case you have a cost in mind. Now, what spot instances do, they simply use the spare or the unused capacity. Now, maybe the hypervisor on which it's going to deploy have a spare capacity available. So it would create a spot instance for you. It's cheap, but the price would definitely vary depending on how much demand it's in and how much long-term requirement. Now, if you go for the reserved instances, it basically lower down your cost. Consider it as a management strategy that you already paid something to a vendor that please reserve that much seat for me or that much capacity for me. Obviously, that would be lower in cost, and depending on the duration, that would be cheaper for your pocket as well. This is the basic difference. Hopefully, that would answer your question. Thank you very much.